Hi, I'm Nat George, writer, producer, and star of The Sam Cooke Story. We're currently touring the country with The Sam Cooke Story, A Change Gonna Come. We want to take this moment and this time to invite you to please come out and be a part and share with us. It's a wonderful production.
Yes, the play was indeed an excellent performance. It made you actually feel that you were looking and hearing Sam Cooke live. It's an excellent performance and portrayal. We enjoyed it very much.
The play was unbelievable. I could have sat another 2 hours. It was just fabulous. What can I say? It was really beautiful.